Imagine waking up tomorrow with the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. What if just a few strategic moves could change your life forever? In a world where opportunities are everywhere, the key to unlocking wealth lies in understanding the right investment hacks. Picture this: ordinary people transforming their financial futures in record time. Before we begin, write in the comments, "I am ready for my financial transformation." Have you ever wondered why some individuals seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle? This isn't just luck, it's a game plan. As we dive deeper, you'll uncover the secrets that separate the wealthy from the rest. Think about your own financial journey. What if there were shortcuts that could lead you to prosperity? Stay tuned as we explore unconventional strategies that challenge traditional investing wisdom. Each tip is designed to shift your perspective and inspire action. The clock is ticking, and the market is ever-changing. Are you ready to seize the moment? Remember, every successful investor started with a single step. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make bold decisions and elevate your financial status. So, keep watching, because the next breakthrough idea could be just around the corner, waiting for you to take action. When it comes to investing, one of the most crucial strategies one can employ is intelligent diversification. This principle advocates for spreading investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies, to minimize risks while maximizing potential returns. By diversifying, investors can protect themselves from the volatility that often accompanies individual investments. For example, if the stock market experiences a downturn, having assets in real estate or cryptocurrencies can cushion the blow, as these markets may not react in the same way. The key to effective diversification lies in understanding the correlation between different asset classes. Some investors may be tempted to invest in multiple assets within the same category, believing that this will shield them from risk. However, this may not be the case. For instance, investing in various tech stocks can still leave an investor vulnerable to market fluctuations that impact the tech sector as a whole. Instead, including a mix of asset types, such as bonds and commodities, can create a more balanced portfolio that withstands market changes better. To implement an intelligent diversification strategy, investors should start by assessing their risk tolerance and investment goals. Are they looking for short-term gains, or are they in it for the long haul? Understanding one's financial situation and objectives can help guide decisions about how to allocate resources. For example, conservative investors might lean more towards fixed-income assets, while those with a higher risk appetite could allocate a larger portion of their portfolio to stocks or cryptocurrencies. Another important aspect of diversification is regular rebalancing. As markets fluctuate, the values of different assets will change, which can lead to an unbalanced portfolio over time. Periodically reviewing and adjusting the allocation of investments ensures that one does not become overly exposed to certain asset classes. This proactive approach can help maintain the desired risk level and investment strategy, ultimately leading to better financial outcomes. Lastly, it's essential to stay informed about market trends and changes in economic conditions. The investment landscape is continually evolving, and what worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. By keeping abreast of global economic indicators, interest rates, and emerging markets, investors can make informed decisions about how to adjust their diversified portfolios to meet their changing needs. Cryptocurrencies have surged in popularity over the past decade, presenting both exciting opportunities and significant risks for investors. Understanding the landscape of digital currencies is crucial for anyone looking to venture into this space. One of the first steps is to conduct thorough research on various cryptocurrencies, as not all are created equal. Bitcoin and Ethereum may be the most recognized, but hundreds of other altcoins can offer promising investment potential. Identifying promising projects is key to successful cryptocurrency investing. Investors should look for coins that have a clear use case, strong development teams, and active communities. White papers can provide insights into a project's goals and technology, but it's also important to gauge community engagement and developer activity on platforms like GitHub. Moreover, social media channels, forums, and crypto news sites can be valuable resources for staying updated on project developments and market sentiment. However, the cryptocurrency space is rife with scams and fraudulent schemes. investors need to exercise caution and skepticism when evaluating new projects. Red flags can include promises of guaranteed returns, lack of transparency, or overly complex technology that is difficult to understand. The infamous rug pulls, where developers abandon a project after attracting significant investment, serve as stark reminders of the risks involved. Conducting thorough due diligence and investing only what one can afford to lose is essential for navigating this volatile market. Beyond individual coins, understanding the broader market dynamics is also crucial. Cryptocurrency markets can be influenced by regulatory changes, technological advancements, and macroeconomic factors. For instance, announcements from governments regarding cryptocurrency regulations can lead to significant price swings. By staying informed about these factors, investors can better anticipate market movements and make more strategic investment decisions. Lastly, it's important to consider the various methods of acquiring cryptocurrencies. Investors can buy coins directly from exchanges, trade them, or invest through cryptocurrency funds. Each approach has its advantages and disadvantages, and the best method will depend on individual preferences and risk tolerance. By exploring these avenues, investors can find the strategy that aligns best with their financial goals and comfort level in managing risk. Analyzing investments is a fundamental aspect of making informed decisions, and two primary methods stand out: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis focuses on price movements and trading volumes, using historical data to forecast future price trends. Investors who employ this method often utilize charts and indicators to identify patterns that may suggest imminent price movements. For instance, moving averages can help determine whether a stock is in an upward or downward trend, guiding investors on when to buy or sell. On the other hand, fundamental analysis delves deeper into the financial health of a company or asset. This method evaluates metrics such as earnings, revenue, and overall economic conditions to determine an asset's intrinsic value. Investors using fundamental analysis aim to identify undervalued stocks that have the potential for growth. For instance, a company with strong earnings growth, a solid balance sheet, and a competitive advantage in its industry may be an attractive investment opportunity. Both analysis methods can complement each other, providing a more comprehensive view of potential investments. While technical analysis can indicate the best timing for entry and exit points, fundamental analysis can help investors understand the underlying value of an asset. By combining these approaches, investors can make more informed decisions that align with their overall investment strategy. Moreover, understanding key indicators is crucial for both types of analysis. In technical analysis, tools such as Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Bollinger Bands can provide insights into market momentum and volatility. Meanwhile, fundamental analysis relies on metrics like price-to-earnings, P/E ratio, return on equity, ROE, and debt-to-equity ratio to assess a company's financial performance. Familiarity with these indicators can enhance an investor's ability to analyze potential investments effectively. Ultimately, the choice between technical and fundamental analysis, or the decision to use both, depends on individual investment goals and strategies. Long-term investors may lean more towards fundamental analysis, while short-term traders may favor technical analysis to capitalize on price fluctuations. Regardless of the approach chosen, a robust understanding of these methodologies is essential for successful investing in any asset class. Identifying growing sectors can be a game-changer for investors looking to maximize their returns. One of the most notable trends in recent years has been the rise of green technology. As the world becomes increasingly aware of climate change and the need for sustainable solutions, companies that focus on renewable energy, electric vehicles, and eco-friendly products are capturing the attention of investors. This shift not only presents an opportunity to invest in the future of our planet, but also offers the potential for substantial financial gains as these sectors expand. When looking to invest in sectors like green technology, it's essential to conduct thorough research. Investors should analyze market reports, consumer behavior, and technological advancements within the industry. For instance, examining how government policies are shifting towards sustainability can provide insights into which companies are likely to benefit. Additionally, Keeping an eye on startups that are innovating within these sectors can reveal hidden gems that may not yet be on the radar of larger investors. Another emerging trend is in the healthcare sector, particularly telemedicine and digital health solutions. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of telehealth services, making it clear that healthcare is undergoing a significant transformation. Investors should look for companies that are not only adapting to these changes but are also actively innovating. This could involve telehealth platforms, wearable health devices, or companies using artificial intelligence to enhance patient care. Understanding the regulatory landscape is also crucial, as healthcare investments often come with a complex set of legal considerations. It's also worth noting that sectors such as e-commerce and logistics remain strong contenders for investment. The shift toward online shopping is not just a trend but a fundamental change in consumer behavior. Companies that facilitate e-commerce, whether through logistics solutions, payment processing, or innovative retail platforms, are expected to thrive. Investors can benefit by identifying leading companies in these areas, but they should also pay attention to emerging players that offer unique solutions to ongoing challenges. Lastly, staying informed about broader economic indicators can help investors make educated decisions about sectors to target. Economic cycles, interest rates, and geopolitical events can all influence market trends. By keeping an eye on these factors, investors can position themselves to take advantage of emerging opportunities as they arise. In summary, capitalizing on market trends requires a combination of diligent research, awareness of consumer behavior, and a keen understanding of broader economic dynamics. Investing in startups through crowdfunding platforms has gained significant traction in recent years, offering a unique opportunity for both novice and experienced investors. Crowdfunding allows individuals to pool their resources to support innovative ideas and early-stage companies, often in exchange for equity or other rewards. This democratization of investment means that you don't need to be part of the elite venture capital circle to get in on the ground floor of potentially lucrative businesses. One of the primary advantages of investing in startups is the potential for high returns. While this comes with substantial risks, since many startups fail, those that succeed can offer returns that far exceed traditional investments. However, navigating the startup landscape requires careful analysis. Investors should look for companies with a well-defined business model, a strong management team, and a clear path to profitability. It's crucial to assess the market need the startup addresses and whether its solution is scalable. When considering investments through crowdfunding platforms, due diligence is essential. Investors should scrutinize the information provided by the startup, including its financial projections, market research, and competitive landscape. Many platforms also offer insights into the backgrounds of the founding team, which can be a significant indicator of the startup's potential. Engaging with the community around the startup can provide additional perspectives and help gauge overall interest and support for the venture. Another critical aspect of investing in startups is understanding the exit strategy. Startups can take years to mature, and investors need to be patient and prepared for a long-term commitment. Common exit strategies include acquisition by larger companies or an initial public offering (IPO). Investors should keep an eye on industry trends to identify potential acquirers and consider how the startup fits into the broader market landscape for sustainable growth. Additionally, the legal and regulatory environment surrounding crowdfunding can influence investment decisions. Different regions have varying regulations regarding equity crowdfunding, and understanding these rules is vital for protecting your investment. Awareness of your rights as an investor and the protections afforded to you under the law can help mitigate risks associated with startup investments. In conclusion, while investing in startups through crowdfunding offers exciting opportunities, it requires careful research, patience, and a clear understanding of both the potential rewards and risks involved. Investing in startups has become an increasingly popular avenue for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios. Crowdfunding platforms have opened doors for everyday investors to participate in the early stages of innovative companies, which was once the exclusive domain of venture capitalists and angel investors. This democratization of investment opportunities allows individuals to support entrepreneurs while also potentially reaping significant financial rewards. However, entering this space requires careful consideration and a clear understanding of the landscape. To successfully invest in startups, one must first recognize the unique risks and rewards associated with this type of investment. Startups often operate in uncertain environments, and many will fail within the first few years of operation. Therefore, it is crucial for investors to conduct thorough research on the business model, the founding team, and the market potential of the startup. By assessing these factors, investors can better gauge whether a particular startup aligns with their risk tolerance and investment goals. One of the key advantages of crowdfunding is the ability to diversify investments across multiple startups. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, investors can allocate smaller amounts of capital to several different companies. This strategy not only spreads the risk, but also increases the chances of hitting on a successful venture. Investors should aim to build a portfolio of diverse startups across various industries, stages of development, and geographic locations. This diversification can serve as a buffer against the inevitable failures that occur in the startup ecosystem. In addition to conducting due diligence, investors should also familiarize themselves with the different types of crowdfunding models available. Equity crowdfunding allows investors to acquire shares in a startup, while reward-based crowdfunding provides backers with products or services in return for their investment. Each model has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, so understanding these distinctions is essential for making informed choices. Furthermore, investors should be aware of any legal regulations that may apply to their investments, as these can vary by jurisdiction and impact the overall investment experience. Selecting the right startups to invest in is not just about crunching numbers. It also requires a keen sense of market trends and consumer behavior. Investors should look for startups that address a clear problem or need in the market, as this often indicates a higher likelihood of success. Additionally, evaluating the startup's competitive landscape can provide insight into its potential for growth. Investors should consider whether the startup has a unique value proposition that sets it apart from competitors and whether it has the capacity to scale effectively. Investing in startups through crowdfunding can be a rewarding endeavor, but it is essential for investors to approach it with a solid strategy and informed perspective. By understanding the risks, conducting thorough research, diversifying their investments, and keeping an eye on market trends, investors can increase their chances of finding promising startups that align with their financial objectives. With careful planning and a willingness to learn, individuals can navigate the exciting world of startup investing and potentially reap significant rewards. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on how these game-changing investment hacks can alter your financial journey. Remember, the path to wealth isn't just about luck. It's about strategy, knowledge, and action. Have you thought about which of these hacks resonates most with you? Whether it's diversifying your portfolio or leveraging the power of passive income, each choice you make can propel you toward your goals. Now, consider this. What would your life look like if you embraced these strategies today? Picture it. Visualize the freedom that financial independence brings. But don't stop there. Take action. Start small, set realistic goals, and watch how those initial steps can lead to significant changes over time. And here's a challenge for you. Share your thoughts in the comments. What investment strategies have you tried, and what results did you see? Together, we can build a community of support and inspiration. Stay curious and keep learning, because the more you know, the more you grow. Remember, the journey to riches is a marathon, not a sprint. So, what's your next move? Let's get started on this exciting adventure toward wealth.